We'll finish off with learning how to add and subtract polynomials. Adding polynomials, you just add up your like terms. Subtracting polynomials, you have to distribute the negative and then add your like terms. I'll show you. So here, I have 8x squared minus 4x minus 9 plus 2x squared plus 9x minus 9. I really don't need these parentheses since this is just adding. These parentheses aren't really needed. Just one long line of terms that need to be added. So you just look for your like terms. 8x squared and positive 2x squared can go together. That's 10x squared. Negative 4x and positive 9x are like terms. Think money, they add to positive 5x. And negative 9 and negative 9 are both the constant terms. They can go together. Think money, lose 9, you're 18 in the hole, negative 18. These terms cannot be added together. They're not like terms, so that's our answer. Next problem. Again, when you're adding polynomials, there's really no need for those parentheses. I like to rewrite it without the parentheses. Now I just add up my like terms. Negative 4x cubed, positive 4x cubed are like terms. They add to 0. Negative 4 and positive 4, think money. Lose 4, gain 4, you're at 0. So those are gone. They cancel each other out. Positive 2x squared, positive 6x squared adds up to be positive 8x squared. And this is the only plain old x term. We have two constant terms that can be combined. There's our answer. Same thing with adding. We don't need those parentheses. Negative 5x cubed, positive 2x cubed makes negative 3x cubed. I only have one x squared term. I have two x terms. Negative 7x and positive 5x makes negative 2x. And positive 9 and negative 11 makes negative 2. Notice I've written my terms in descending order. You don't have to do that, but that's how you will usually see it done. And my answer is a polynomial with 4 terms that has a degree of 3. With subtracting, my first set of parentheses aren't really needed, but my second ones are, and that's because I have a negative in front of them. I have to distribute this negative. So the first polynomial stays the same. 7x squared minus 9x minus 12. Now I need to distribute this negative. Negative 9x squared minus 5x. And when you take the negative of negative 8, you get a positive 8. Some people like to think of this as multiplying by negative 1. If you put a 1 here, negative 1 times 9x squared is negative 9x squared. Negative 1 times 5x, negative 5x. Negative 1 times negative 8, positive 8. Now that I've distributed that negative, now I just do it the same as above. I add up my like terms. 7x squared and negative 9x squared combines to be negative 2x squared. Negative 9x and negative 5x are like terms. That makes negative 14x. Think money. And negative 12 and positive 8 makes negative 4. That's my answer. Again, the first parentheses have nothing in front of them, so I don't have anything to distribute. They're not really needed. But this second parenthesis, I need to distribute that negative. Negative of a negative is a positive. Notice it just changes the sign of every term in that parenthesis. can't forget that step or you'll get the answer wrong. Now I just add up my like terms. Negative 4x cubed and negative 3x cubed makes negative 7x cubed. There's only one x squared term. Positive 8x and positive 2x are like terms. They can be combined to be positive 10x. And then the constants, negative 8, positive 1. Again, think money. Lose $8, gain 1 back, you're only 7 in the hole now. And there's our answer. A 4-term polynomial with degree of 3.